दरवाजा खोलो अंदर से। कौन है अंदर? क्या रे? गाड़ी में दारू? फाइन लगेगा। चलो अपनी सीट पर। चलो यहाँ से।
Brother, why are you getting wet in the rain like a small boy?
Bro, rain is the best gift given by nature. You have to enjoy it thoroughly. Don't complain unnecessarily.
Brother, this water I don't prefer. I prefer that water. How much ever you give, I will drink.
I don't have that.
Brother, say you won't give. Don't say you don't have. You're a young man, heavy rain, running train. How will you not have alcohol with you? Brother, I'll give you 100 rupees. Just give me one peg. My head is aching, man. I just want to sleep peacefully.
Bro, I said I don't have it, man.
Hey, when you buy ticket, you should buy all this and keep. Don't you know all that?
4 or 5 people were trying to kill me. Great difficulty I reached this place. At that time, you expect to buy a drink?
Why did they come to kill you?
Some problems.
What problem?
Love matter. We picked a girl from our house.
Who created the problem?
Collector?
What does collector got to do with love?
Of course he's God.
Is it?
What, bro? Such a huge crowd here? Standing in this queue and meeting the collector is impossible, I say.
Bro, it's difficult to gather a crowd. It's easy to break them away. Just see. Hey, bro. Hey, what's the matter? Are you feeling hungry or what? Feeling thirsty? Is he crying or laughing?
Bro, he's crying, bro.
Hey, actually, what's your problem?
My wife has eloped.
If your wife has eloped, is the collector responsible for that? Okay, then what is this dirty cloth?
I got an information that she'll be running away with this sari. That's why I removed it from her.
How did she run away like that, man?
She went away with my cloth.
Horrible fellow, man. Hello, for that you should not be standing here. You go to the police station and give a
I
complaint.
cannot go there.
Why?
For my previous wife, I gave a complaint there only. This fellow won't be accommodated anywhere. Go from here.
Get lost, man.
Bro, when will the collector come, bro?
Don't ask me all these questions, man. I'm already tensed.
Oh.
Nobody following the rules. That's why I don't like this country alone. Collector is not coming on time. I have been waiting for the past 2 hours. What do you know about this?
Shut up.
हम आपके हैं कौन? दिल वाले दुल्हने ले जाएंगे कभी खुशी कभी गम दूध वाला पानी मक्कर चौला बर्तन ये सब मिक्सिंग वेरी टेस्ट
Is it?
यस जी शुक्रिया बहुत बुलाता है
Oh my God! I should have known that before. Thank you so much.
What, bro? What did you tell him? He's running so fast.
Bro, what he said I did not understand, but what I said he understood.
What was that?
In the adjacent temple they are distributing free food.
Is it
Therefore,
true?
he ran
Sir! Collector, sir! Collector, sir!
Who is this? Please come here.
He's calling us.
What is he?
Guys,
What
are you doing, man?
Yes, sir.
bro. Give the complaint.
Yes. Keep it, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is all this? Sir, you were the person who distributed water to our village. Our village also got its first library started by you. Even the school also was started by you. Likewise, if you start a wine shop for us in our village,
yes, sir.
it would be actually very nice.
Wine shop? For all this, you want to give a petition and you came here.
Sir, this is not an ordinary petition. He is not knowing the seriousness about that. When we go to the nearby town for a drink, you know what they tell us? Our guys are wearing a dhoti and having a drink, and you guys are wearing trousers and having a drink?
For wearing your trouser, you got beaten.
At least he got beating for wearing pants, sir. In my case, I was asked to strip my pant and I didn't have an underwear. That's why I got. Not only that, sir. Whenever we come by bike from anywhere, the policeman will ask us to stop the bike and blow our mouth for alcohol check.
Did he blow?
Boo! I blew,
No,
sir.
never ask us to blow.
Sir, both the towns are having a fight and people are getting hurted, sir. We want a separate bar, sir.
Somehow you do it for us, sir. We will surely vote for you the next time.
Oh God, this fellow doesn't know the difference between the collector and a councillor.
Sir, please help us, sir.
I have seen big violence happening in the name of caste. But for the sake of alcohol, this is the first time I'm seeing violence. I'll take action. Due to domestic and public violence happening, all liquor shops within the radius of 30-kilometer distance will be closed. And this is my order.
Come. Lift him. Come on, lift him.
Oh, shit. What is wrong here? Bro, what is happening here? Why these ladies have come here?
Even I have a similar doubt.
Stop! Stop! Young ladies, please be quiet. Why this screaming and all?
Look, brother, till now MLA not able to do. Even councillor also not able to do. But being a single person, in all the surrounding villages, the wine shop has been closed because of
Closed
you,
all
no? That
wine
is why we
shops,
are
sir.
celebrating.
I am not the reason for your satisfaction, madam. Look here, he's the man, this brave man. He fought for you women and he got justice.
A small village is changed like a Gujarat because of you.
What? Gujarat?
Brother, 1 minute. Since the collector closed all the liquor shops, one girl has fallen in love with your friend. This is a nice thing, right? Where is the problem here?
Because of that problem started. You want to hear what was that? Bro, what are you doing here?
Thought of withdrawing some amount from the bank. What are you talking, man?
Bro, there is a problem in my lover's house. We are actually planning to elope today.
You just started loving today morning?
True love actually needs only half an hour, bro.
Look here, Mike. Let me tell you something. This kind of love will not be strong at all. You should be very careful. This is my advice to you.
Easily got girlfriend and a policeman's gun are both equally powerful, bro. Only you know how to talk rhymingly. Even I do know it, bro. Look here, bro. There is no time now. Just do one help for me. Tonight at 10 o'clock, my lover, she'll be coming and standing at the main road junction. You take her and run away. No, not like that. I meant you bring her. I'll be at the railway station. I'll be taking the ticket and waiting there.
No,
Please, bro.
I can't do it.
Bro, if you are not going to join us together, you will not see us alive from here on.
Hey, bro. Am I asking you to get me linked with Kate Winslet and Madeline Stowe? An ordinary girl with the face cut of an owl? That too came voluntary and fell into my net.
Bro, if I miss this offer, I'll not get an offer again. Bro, please, bro. Hey. Just think for once. In a small young age, you were only 2 years then.
Yeah, you were also 2-year-old. What do you want to say now?
Actually, you used to ask me every help.
Oh, my dear Mike, will you please stop the old story? You want me to bring your girl, that's it?
Yes.
I'll do it for you.
What help am I going to do to this guy? My dear bro.
God knows what has happened.
Yes, bro.
Hey Mike, I'm very near to your girl's house. Nobody's seen here.
I just called her now. She'll be coming in some time. You just wait there. She'll be coming soon.
Bro, she looks much older than you, bro.
Yes, bro. She's around 2 to 3 years elder to me.
2 to 3 years? She looks 2 to 3 older decades to you.
Hey, for love, age is not important. Mind is important.
You jealous fellow. You first bring her here. And hey, when you come, don't try to be naughty with her. Always treat her like your sister.
What? My sister? I will give you nicely. She's already got a place in a graveyard and he's loving her.
No problem. My entire life is along with her.
Who can change your fate? My dear Michael, are you ready to marry this young girl Regina? Please open your mouth and tell.
I agree.
Young lady Regina, are you willing to marry this young boy Mike wholeheartedly?
Stop chewing the cud and say it.
Oh, no. Both of you exchange your ring and please leave the place immediately. Jesus, please save them. Mike, do you think she can prolong till your marriage?
Everything will be alright. You first shut up.
Oh my Jesus. So you have saved Mike.
Look, son, there are all the things for whatever she wants. Just take her fast.
Okay, come,
on.
come fast.
Wait. Give 2 punches and go.
How
Fast.
can I give you punches, mother?
Why you scared, son? Punch me fast. Then only everyone believe me that you have punched me and take her away. Come on, punch me. What for you thinking a lot? Come on, punch.
Okay, mother, as per your wish.
You know what is the meaning of punch, huh? Take Jackie Chan punch, Bruce Lee punch, Jet Li punch, mix all of them in your hand and give a punch like this. Huh?
Oh no, grandmom!
Hey, Mike, we have reached the station. Where are you waiting?
Thanks, bro. I'm standing in the queue. I'm coming.
Okay, come fast.
Okay.
You would have had a luxurious life in your family. Now you both are planning to leave this place and lead a very normal life with my friend Mike. He's got one irresponsible friend like me there. That house is very small, I say, and that guy will always be there. When you guys are having a private life, you may be watched, so be careful. One more thing I have to tell you. There is a cruel house owner lady. She will show her true face if you don't give the rent on correct time.
What, kitty? You're not fit to give rent from 3 months? And now you want family and wife, huh? Shameless fellow.
Somehow I'll pay you the rent. For heaven's sake, don't come close to me and talk.
What did you say?
Nothing, ma'am. Just give me 1 hour time, house owner. I'll try sell her jewels and give you the rent.
Who is it?
Yeah, tell me, Mike.
Hey, bro. Suddenly they increased the ticket charges. A deficit of 20 rupees. Can you come and give?
Is that so? Okay, I'll come.
What?
He needs 20 rupees to buy ticket. Let me go and give him.
Excuse me. Can you give me your phone for a minute?
Yeah, you can make a call, but the balance is low.
Hey, sweetheart. She will introduce herself.
Shit.
Yeah, Valarmati only.
Oh, come on, boss. We should not leave him at all. Come, search.
Hey, sweetheart. Have they come to send us off or what?
Eh?
Mike, looks like these guys have not come to send you off. Why are they coming with a lot of weapons? I think these guys are coming to finish you off. Come,
Oh
let's
my
move.
god, we should run then.
Move fast, Mike.
I only called them.
Why?
You look at this. I eat at 8 o'clock and I sleep at 8:10. I've had a rich upbringing. I can come with you to our hut and bear all the mosquito bites.
I have purchased mosquito nets also.
Grandma!
There she is. See, he is only has given me a big punch on my face. Come on, go.
Mike, they're coming. Let's move.
You shut up your mouth.
Shit, man.
Oh
Come
my
on, let's get
god,
to the
instead of
compartment.
running
Come on, let's
around
get
with
in.
her, I am running
Quick,
around
quick.
with this fellow.
Good job you have done, brother. You have actually saved a sheep from the wolf. You have actually saved a big cookie from the dog. If only he would have married that girl, she would have had a baby and she would have been running from pillar to post begging. You have saved her, brother. You have saved such a nice thing you have done.
What are you saying, you bloody round pig? Without any control in your mouth, you're going on abusing. How dare you hurl so many abuses at me? Hey, do you know how difficult it is for a girl to love a person like me? And that too, tuning a girl within a very short while is even more difficult. If only she would have come with me, my life would have been totally different and we would have settled somewhere else by now. Without knowing all these facts, you are not supposed to simply blabber.
Pull him inside, Mike.
I should have actually killed him.
Brother, I didn't realize that you had such a big heart and such a small body.
Every human being will have a heart, you donkey. One will give. We won't blabber for simply talking. What do you want now?
I want this only, brother.
Bro, how can you get in the running train?
Listen clearly to whatever I'm saying now. Next station when the train stops. That way it will only stay for 2 minutes. So before the train stops, you start running onto the platform. And then as you continue running, you'll come across an iron bridge. There will be a main road on the left of the bridge. On the right side, if you look carefully, there will be a small stall. Just next to it, there will be a wine shop. You take the money and give. Whatever brand he gives, you take it and come immediately running back to the train. As you are coming back to the train, the last bogie of the train will be leaving the platform. You alight that bogie. Just mind one thing. If whatever I am saying, if you just miss 1 second, you will be missing the train and I'll be missing my liquor. Here, take the money. Oh, okay, go and come
So
fast,
now what
man.
I can understand is you have to have liquor.
Oh, yes.